Alright, Master Designers. This will be a test run, and if it fits, I'll upload it. Tonight we're gonna draw a Bee Striker. One of my favorites. Bee Striker is one of my top favorites, even though he's a giant wasp.
Everybody wants to make a statement. Everybody needs to carve their mark. To stand alone in the victory circle. State the claim when the music starts. Give it all you got. You can be the very best ever. Take your best shot. What you've learned will come together. It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude. But you still gotta catch 'em all and be the best that you can be. A Pokemon Johto. It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude. But you still gotta catch 'em all and be the best that you can be. Pokemon Johto. It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new
Now we draw the legs.
with a brand new attitude. But you still gotta catch 'em all and be the best that you can be. Pokemon Johto. Alright. Pokemon Johto. Pokemon Johto.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alexa, what is a hornet?
Hornets are the largest of the eusocial wasps and are similar in appearance to their close relatives yellowjackets. Some species can reach up to 5.5 centimeters in length. They are distinguished from other Vespian wasps by the relatively large top margin of the head and by the rounded segment of the abdomen just behind the waist. Worldwide, 22 species of Vespa are recognized.
Whole new place with a brand new attitude. But you still gotta catch 'em all and be the best that you can be. Pokemon Johto. Everybody wants to make a statement. Everybody needs to carve their mark. To stand alone in the victory circle. State the claim when the music starts. Give it all you got. You can be the very best ever. Take your best shot. What you've learned will come together. It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude. But you still gotta catch 'em all and be the best that you can be. A Pokemon Johto. It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude. But you still gotta catch 'em all and be the best that you can be. Pokemon Johto.
There we Here's Bee Striker's stinger. It's long and pointy. Alexa, what is a green wasp?
According to an Alexa Answers
Alexa, what is a yellow jacket?
Yellow jacket or yellow jacket is the common name in North America for predatory social wasps of the genera Vespula and Dolichovispula. Members of these genera are known simply as wasps in other English-speaking countries. Most of these are black and yellow like the eastern yellow jacket Vespula maculifrons and the aerial yellow jacket Dolichovispula arenaria. Some are black and white like the bald-faced hornet, Dolichovispula maculata.
It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude. But you still gotta catch 'em all and be the best that you can be. Okay, mind your talk. Everybody wants to make a statement. Everybody needs to carve their mark. To stand alone in the victory circle. State the claim when the music starts. Give it all you got. You can be the very best ever. Take your
There we go.
shot. What you
I actually did it. I finally drew Bee Striker. And actually got it right. So anyway, speaking of Bee Striker, I've heard on one of these, I saw in a documentary where the Bakugan creators created their own Bakugan. And well, they call this new Bakugan Hermitoid. I thought it would be a good name. But it was actually just Bee Striker, just upside down and on his back. Doesn't matter which way they make it. To be honest, Bakugan, if they did put in the word Bee Striker, that would be really interesting. Anyway, that's how you draw a Bee Striker. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to find out more on how to draw Bakugan like this, be sure to check out the Bakugan playlist, and I'll be there as soon as possible. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night!